In this problem, we are given n numbers, and in this array, we want to ensure that every number is as big or bigger than any number prior to it. So in this case, it'll be true for this, it'll be false here. And in the case that it's not true, we would then increase 2 such that the condition holds true. So now 2 will become 3, then 5 is bigger than all the previous elements. 1 is less than 5, so we would increase 1 to 5, and then that condition will hold true. And then 7 is bigger than all the previous elements. So what we want to do is on each turn, we can increase any element by 1, and we want to find out the minimum number of turns such that it's true that every element is as big or larger than any previous element. So first thing first, let's read in the input n, and then we will be reading in all the n numbers here. And what we have to keep track of is, let's keep track of a global max, which is initially 0, and then we need our answer, of course. So if this number that we have is bigger than the global max, which is the maximum of all the numbers we have seen up until this point, that's good. We can now set the global max to be equal to temp. That's because temp is bigger than all the previous numbers, so we don't have to change temp at all, but we do have to update global max because now this is the biggest number we have seen so far. On the other hand, if that's not true, we have to increase our answer by global max minus temp. This is because we now want to increase our number such that it's as big as our global maximum, which is the largest number we have seen up until this point. And then at the very end, we just output the answer. And this should yield 5. Whoops. Yep, this should work. And voila.